Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making sure the TV is online and you can access settings. This avoids interruptions. Once connected to Wi-Fi, navigate to accounts or users in settings and choose Add Account. Make sure you have your Google email, password, and any two-factor device at hand since you may need a code. You're doing this now to enter credentials directly rather than juggling devices later. This streamlines the next screens where you grant permissions and sync preferences. Now you'll pick Google from the list and type your email using the TV remote or on-screen keyboard. Take your time to avoid typos. After entering your password, the TV may ask you to accept Google permissions, read them, and confirm to enable app access and personalization. If two-factor authentication is enabled, follow the prompt to approve Sign In on your phone or enter the code. Once verified, select which data to sync, so the TV keeps app settings. Complete the setup flow and verify success by opening the Play Store or YouTube. You should see your account avatar or email. If an error appears, sign out and try again, making sure time and date are correct on the TV because mismatched time often blocks Google sign-in. If problems continue, clear app cache for Google services or reboot the TV. As a final step, you can factory reset, but backup settings first. These checks solve most sign-in failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.